Hello everyone, this is Tanchan and welcome back to my channel. We're back with episode 4 of our wedding outfit series. When it comes to glamorous outfits, nothing beats the iconic glam and drama of Bollywood. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most show-stopping looks straight from the world of filmy Bollywood that you can easily recreate to steal the spotlight at all the upcoming weddings you're attending. So, get ready to channel your inner diva and bring on the Bollywood magic. Our first evergreen look is none other than Nisha's legendary green and silver lehenga from Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. This stunning outfit features a high-neck, full-sleeved blouse crafted from rich bottle green satin, detailed with intricate silver embroidery. The blouse is hip-length, paired with a lightweight lehenga skirt and a dupatta pinned on the head. And of course, how can we forget the classic hairstyle? A sleek high braid adorned with a gajra, completing this iconic all-time favorite look. This look is perfect for a mehendi function, and with an outfit this famous, you can be sure everyone will take a second look. Our next look is Anjali's vibrant yellow salwar suit from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. It features a beautiful straight-cut yellow kurta with intricate silver embroidery and 3/4 sleeves, paired with a classic loose salwar and a lightweight dupatta in a relaxed double-shoulder drape. This look is finished off with a sleek mid-parted braid, a delicate mang tika, layered silver jewelry, and stacks of bangles, bringing that early 2000s Bollywood charm. Perfect for any upcoming haldi function. Next up, we have Nisha's famous purple sari from Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. This look has been recreated time and again, and for good reason. The deep purple satin sari, adorned with rich golden embroidery, strikes the perfect balance between royal elegance and festive glamour. The blouse features a deep-cut back, adding just the right touch of drama to the classic silhouette. Styled with golden jewelry and a mid-parted messy hair bun, this look is all about effortless charm with a bold, unforgettable twist, perfect for making a statement at any wedding celebration. Next, we have Naina's unforgettable blue sari look from Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. This striking outfit features a plain blue georgette sari with a shimmering gold sequin border paired with a sweetheart neckline black sequin blouse, the perfect balance of simple yet bold. Her hair is styled in voluminous soft waves with a mid-part adding a touch of effortless glamour to the look. To complete the styling, you can easily pair this sari with statement earrings and a sleek bracelet, keeping the focus on that stunning, clean silhouette. It's the ultimate pick for a cocktail night or reception party when you want to keep it sexy, elegant, and absolutely unforgettable. Now we have another Naina on our list, this time from Pal Ho Na Ho. She looks absolutely stunning in a two-tone lehenga, blending a beautiful turquoise blue with a subtle beige underlayer. It's all about intricate embroidery and shimmering sequins, which really makes the outfit pop. The slim-fit, fish-cut skirt gives it a modern silhouette, and the structured blouse with gap sleeves adds a touch of elegance. Naina's jewelry set, the mang tika, necklace, earrings and bracelet features white and dark navy blue stones that perfectly complement the outfit. Her hair is styled straight with a center part, letting the entire ensemble shine. It's the perfect inspiration for anyone wanting a fresh, elegant and glamorous look for a major wedding event. Next, we have Geet's vibrant Patiala suit from Jab We Met. This colorful and playful look features a short hot pink kurti, richly embroidered with golden threadwork and bright floral detailing, paired with a classic light green Patiala salwar for the perfect pop of contrast. The look is completed with a bright orange dupatta, casually draped around the neck, keeping the vibe light, fun and full of life, just like Geet's character. Her hair is styled in a sleek mid-parpig braid, accessorized with a traditional paranda, while statement jhumkas and stacks of colorful bangles add the final festive touch. And here's another super similar outfit, this time worn by Shruti in Band Baja Barat. Just like Geet's look, Shruti's Patiala suit is bright and festive. Shruti's version features a royal blue silk kurti, a red printed Patiala salwar, and a mustard yellow dupatta detailed with mirror work. Her hair is styled in soft, open waves, giving the outfit a slightly more modern, easygoing vibe. Both looks capture that same lively energy, and both outfits are perfect for any pre-wedding celebration where you want to keep it colorful, vibrant, and effortlessly desi. Next, we have Anjali's engagement look from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. The outfit features a traditional hip-length blouse in a rich rust orange shade, heavily embellished with golden embroidery and styled with half sleeves that reach just above the elbows. It's paired with a matching flowy lehenga skirt featuring bold patchwork patterns across vibrant earthy tones. Anjali's jewelry is kept classic and traditional, a heavy long necklace, matching earrings, a mang tika, and stacks of golden bangles. Her hair is styled straight with a clean center part, with the front sections pinned back and the rest left open, giving a neat yet soft finish. Next, we have another beautiful look from Kajol as Anjali, this time from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. She wears a maroon and golden fish-cut lehenga paired with a hip-length blouse featuring half sleeves, similar in cut and style to her engagement look from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. The dupatta is neatly pinned on both shoulders, creating a graceful and structured look. Her hair is styled in a sleek center-parted braid adorned with a paranda. For jewelry, she completes the look with a heavy chopa set, matching earrings, a mang tika, and stacks of bangles. Both of these looks are perfect if you're looking for something traditional, colorful, and full of vintage Bollywood charm for any main wedding event. Priti's high-neck salwar suits from Hum Saath Saath Hai are pure goals, effortless, traditional, and full of that soft 90s charm. Throughout the movie, she wears a mix of light pastels and richer shades, all styled with high necklines, delicate embroidery, and front cutouts. But the real standout is definitely the purple velvet suit she wears during one of the main wedding functions. It's a four-piece set with a sleeveless square-neck golden inner kurta layered with a rich purple open-front jacket featuring a high mandarin collar and intricate golden embroidery. The jacket is secured with a single button at the top, right at the collar, creating that structured high-neck look. She pairs it with a churidar salwar and a plain sheer tissue dupatta. Her hair is kept sleek and straight, with a center part, and she styles the look with minimal jewelry and a nose ring, letting the rich velvet and gold detailing completely steal the show. This outfit is perfect when you want something traditional yet luxuriously stylish. Next, we have Shanti Priya's iconic hot pink kurta palazzo set from Om Shanti Om. This look is straight out of a dreamy Bollywood sequence. She wears a hip-length fitted kurta with full sleeves, beautifully embellished with silver embroidery across the neckline, waist and sleeves, paired with matching flared palazzo pants that bring all the elegance and drama. Her hair is styled in a sleek center-parted low bun decorated with flowers, giving the whole look a dreamy old-school Bollywood feel. She finishes it off with a bold statement necklace and matching earrings, keeping the overall styling glamorous yet elegant. It's the perfect outfit if you're looking for something vibrant, stylish, and dripping with that classic filmy charm. Next, we have the legendary orange drape worn by Mumtaz in Brahmachari. Back in the late 1960s, Mumtaz redefined the sari with a low-waist, body-hugging, pre-pleated version that zipped up at the side, finished with rich gold gota borders and a frilled hemline. She paired it with golden earrings, a choker necklace, a hath patti, and rocked the iconic 60s puffy hairstyle along with soft winged eyeliner and nude makeup. This look didn't just break the mold then, it actually inspired the sari gown trend we see everywhere now. Today, you'll find fitted, ready-to-wear sari gowns with stitched pleats and attached pallu, giving the same glamorous silhouette without the hassle of draping. Perfect for cocktail nights or receptions. Next up, we have Nandini's dreamy nude pink lehenga from Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. This look features a beautifully embroidered blouse paired with a soft, flowy, nude pink lehenga. The dupatta is styled in a very unique way, pinned neatly on both shoulders to perfectly show off the embroidered borders and then pinned again at the front waist, creating a jacket-like drape instead of a traditional flowing dupatta. Nandini's hairstyle is a sleek, mid-parted braid finished with a traditional paranda. She completes the look with a heavy choker, matching earrings, a mang tikka with a big red bindi on the forehead, and stacked golden bangles, keeping the entire vibe elegant, regal, and timeless. This outfit is pure inspiration if you're aiming for a romantic, polished look. And finally, we have Deepika Padukone's breathtaking royal reception look. This isn't from any movie. It's her real wedding reception outfit and it's pure royalty. She wears a classic golden silk sari paired with a full-sleeved ivory blouse styled in the most elegant traditional way. Her jewelry adds to the regal vibe, layered emerald and pearl necklaces, matching earrings, along with a bold red bindi, red bangles, and a striking sindoor. Her hair is styled in a neat, center-parted low bun, keeping the whole look clean, powerful, and timeless. What's amazing is how easy this look is to recreate. It's elegant, royal, and perfect for anyone who wants to make a strong traditional statement. And that's a wrap on today's iconic Bollywood wedding looks you can totally recreate. Let me know in the comments which look stole your heart, or if you're planning to recreate any of these for an upcoming wedding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay stylish and keep shining.